afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. So today I am going to do some brunch based off of this Greek-inspired diced chicken that I found on sale at Kroger. They also had a green chili one, which I picked up one of, but I picked up a few of these. So if we have a look at the ingredients, this looks really good. And we have 4 servings per container, and 3 ounces is 110 calories and 17 grams of protein, which is great. They give you an idea for chicken gyros, but I'm going to do a very froggy, like Mediterranean bowl. So I have some polenta, which I made the other day in the Instant Pot, and I'm going to use some of that. Then I have some English cucumber, grape tomatoes, some garlic stuffed olives, and some pickled onions. And then I'm just going to do a tzatziki sauce. So I have my yogurt, my lemon juice, and my dill. And that's it. The chicken is fully cooked, but I need to heat that up. I'm just going to put that in the air fryer, and then I'm going to reheat the polenta, and then it's just a matter of putting it all together. All right, the air fryer beat me to it. I have put the chicken in the air fryer on 400 for 9 minutes because it's already cooked and it was just about sort of heating it up. And then while that was going, I cut up some cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and olives. And then I started my tzatziki. So this is just yogurt, lemon juice, some fresh dill, and I put some tamarind seasoning in there. You know I like that. So I just need to stir that part up. I have my pickled onions ready to go. And all I need to do is reheat the polenta and put it all together. All right, my bowl is all ready. So, polenta on the bottom. That is 6 ounces of that chicken, which I tasted a piece of it and it's very nice. We've got the cucumber, tomatoes, olives, pickled onions, and then my tzatziki sauce. And I have to say, I kind of found this a little funny. Somebody on Instagram had messaged me and said that I do an awful lot of bowls. And I thought, yeah, I do, because they're pretty, and pretty makes me happy. So yes, I do a lot of bowls. All right, welcome back for dinner. So I want to go ahead and use up what I had opened for lunch. So the Greek-inspired chicken, which is very tasty, by the way. This is what is left of that. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing I did for lunch. I'm going to put that in the air fryer. Then I have this polenta. So I'm going to have those, and I'm going to add some basil pesto. And then I wanted like a piece of like avocado toast. So I'm going to do that too. I have some dark rye bread, and this is some whipped cream cheese spread. This is quite good because it's only 50 calories for 2 tablespoons, and as opposed to normal whipped cream, which is like between 90 and 100 for the same amount. Then I have 1 duck egg and some avocado. Oh, I'm also going to use my homemade everything bagel seasoning, and that's it. That will be dinner. So I think I'm going to poach the duck egg, and then I just need to heat up the polenta and the chicken, and that's going to be it cooking-wise. All right, so if you haven't seen this little poaching pot before, a subscriber recommended it to me last year, and it is fantastic for this. Okay. So it has a water line that you fill it up to, and then you get it to a rolling boil, which I've done, and then you want to cut your heat down to about half. I think I might just cut that down to about 500. Once it settles to just a little bit of a simmer, so you still have bubbles on the bottom, you have your egg, which goes into the cup. That cup just has some water in it. And so once that's ready and has calmed itself down some, I'll put this egg in. And then for poached, that is the equivalent of a soft-boiled that you don't have to peel. That's the fantastic part about this. If you like soft-boiled eggs, but you don't like having to peel them, this is how you avoid the shell altogether. But I'm going to put it on there, and then because it's a duck egg, I want to do it for 6 minutes. So I'm going to let that calm down. I'll put that in there, and then I'll get the rest of my plate ready. All right. I added a red pepper because it didn't have a whole lot of color otherwise. My chicken and polenta is sort of the same color. But that is the polenta with the chicken, some basil pesto on top, and then I have just a red pepper, and then 1 slice of the dark rye bread, some of the whipped cream cheese, avocado, and my little egg. I probably could have done that egg 1 minute less, actually, but I was trying to make sure that my white was cooked. And I normally like the inside a little bit more runny and a little less jammy. So I think next time I'll do it for a minute less. But yeah, that is going to be dinner.